So what to do if she doesn't text you back? Well, the real question should be, what would an alpha male do if she doesn't text you back? First of all, let's define alpha male. Alpha male is icy, meaning non-reactive. They're just untouchable. Nothing really affects them that much. They get hurt every now and then, they get swayed every now and then, but ultimately they end up back to the home base and they are still confident in what they decided to do. So if you've reached out to a woman, right, you've got her number, let's say you meet her at the grocery store, you text her right then and there, like I tell you to do. You say, hey, I'm gonna text you right now, so you have my number. And you're just kind of waiting to hear from her. You said, hey, it was great meeting you, and she hasn't said anything. Well, essentially, how to be non-reactive in that situation is letting her come to you. So what to do when she doesn't text you back is absolutely nothing for the majority of the time. There's always that exception, right? I hate to put everything into one category because there's always that exception. And I don't want you to think that if you sway from one thing that I say that now you're suddenly not the alpha male and you're just a horrible person. Not true whatsoever. But for the majority of the time, guys, I mean, when you reach out to a woman, I mean, ultimately our goal was to build attraction with her right then and there in person. If you've got to rely on text game to attract her, that's kind of a weak foundation in my point of view. And so if you've done all the right steps, you've attracted her in person, she should be reaching out to you after you've texted her. And sometimes women will text you a week or two later. Sometimes that happens. Maybe they were with another guy. Maybe they're dating other guys. So what? Does it really matter? That's how it is. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen, like I always say. That's how beautiful women are. Beautiful women have options. Do you know that? Because when I first found that out, it just blew me away. I couldn't really swallow that pill at first. It kind of bothered me, to be honest with you. Then I realized that just kind of comes with the territory. I mean, you want beautiful women, but you don't understand that, dude, there's a whole line of guys waiting out there for her. And the only way that she's gonna see you is if you stand out to her. And this is how you stand out to her, guys. You let her come to you. Just build that attraction, reach out to her. Don't fret about it. Don't double text her. Just let her come to you. Let her come to you. It's not always about how to get her in your life. It's just about how do I do the most confident thing. And when you learn to focus on that, things just naturally happen. I would say the worst feeling is not just her ignoring you. I would say the worst feeling we have as a guy is when we double text and we give away all of our dignity. You know what I'm talking about? It's that feeling like you've given your heart on a platter. It just feels terrible. And I think sometimes that feeling is worse than the rejection itself. It's knowing that you put everything on the line. It's knowing that you're just giving her too much power and you don't even know this woman. That can be the worst feeling. So just avoid that feeling by not overdoing it. Just focus on drawing her into your life. That should be your only focus. Not pulling her, but drawing her into your life. You got to attract her. You can't force her to do anything. And if you were high value, you would let her come to you. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that link above me or in that description box below. That will take you right over to my website where you can check out my new audiobook called My Alpha Formula. In this new audiobook, you will learn how to become your best alpha male from the inside out. You guys have a great day. Be empowered.